Alright, here we are, looking at question 8, chapter 2, mixed exercise, mechanics book. So, we have time is minutes, and we have a frequency, and we've got some people taking 20 to 29 minutes, and 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and 60 to 69. Okay, and it's to complete a race summarized in the table. Brilliant. So, 5 people did it very quickly, 10 people a bit quicker, 36 looks like about the mainstay of people there, and then finally 9 people taking over an hour to run it. Okay, using interpolation to find an interquartile range. Okay, let's see then. So if we take cumulative frequency of everything, 15, 46, 51, 71, and 80. Okay, so 80 people doing this race, brilliant. And so if we're looking for the 25th percentile and the 75th percentile, so that we can do a range and take it away. Okay, the 25th person on there is going to be 40, is going to be 20, it's going to be person number 20, who is going to be somewhere in here, and they are going to be 5 along from the lower bound of that region. And for the 75th percentile person, 71 up to 80, the 75th percentile person is going to be not that, it's going to be 60th. It's going to be the 60th person. It's going to be in here, person number 60. Okay, and they will be 9 places through in that bound. Okay, so I've gone through this in my previous 2 videos, so I'm going to go through it quickly. Looking at my bound 40 to 49, I'm going to take a range of there. It will go up to 49.5 and take it away from 39.5. Okay, to find out how many we've got, or how much space we've got to work with. 0.5 minus 39.5. Okay, and that gives me a space of 10. That 10 is meant to be a 10. That 10 I'm going to divide by the 36 that are in there. Okay, which gives me 0.277. We're going to take that and multiply it by the 5 people that we need to get to person number 20, which gives me 1.388, and then I will be adding that to my 49.5. Why does it say no, not 49.5, 39.5, my lower bound? Plus 39.5, which gives us 40.888. Okay, doing the same for the 75th percentile. Okay, so we've got the 59.5, take away the 49.5. Okay. Which of course is still 10. Okay. The 10 divided by the 20 people originally in there gives us 0.5. Okay, 0.5 multiplied by the 9 people I need to get up to the 60th person, being the 75th percentile. okay, is 4.5, and the 4.5 added onto the lower bound of 49.5, 49.5 plus 4.5 is 54, and so the quartile range will be equal to the 54, take away the 40.888, which gives us 13.11. Okay, 13.1. What does that mean? It means 50% of the runners finished within 13 minutes of each other. Okay, so what do we have on here then for the next bit? We are looking at part B. Okay, and we are told the sum of the frequency times x is equal to 3,740, and we are told that the sum of the frequency of x squared is equal to 1,83040. Okay, and they want to know the variance and standard deviation of this data. Okay, so variance is this thing squared, standard deviation squared, which is also put in with, what are we going for? We've got the sum of the frequency x squared divided by the sum of the frequencies. Okay, minus the sum of the frequencies times x over the sum of the frequencies, and that's all squared. What are we talking about here? 1,83040. Okay, over the sum of the frequencies, which when we did our cumulative frequency there got up to 80. Minus the sum of the frequencies there, 3,740. Divided by 80 squared, and so 1,83040 divided by 80 minus bracket 3,740, 80 again, squared. And we get a variance of 102.4375. And then if we look at the standard deviation, which is that one, we can use the square root of the sum of fx squared over the sum of the frequencies minus brackets sum of the frequency of x over which of course is 102.4375 square rooted from previous. Okay, square root of that is 10.1211. Okay.